Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I'm going to show you this amazing easy smoky eye makeup under 5 minutes. Let's start the look, and for this look I'm going in with M505 brush from Morphe and a peachy eyeshadow. You can take any light pink eyeshadow and pack it on your crease and blend the shade in to and fro motions. You can use, see, I am using fluffy blending brush, and on the same brush I'm going to take a darker pink shade in my outer eyelid and blending it in the outer eyelid. I'm trying to bring the shade a little bit towards my middle of the eyelid, but most of the shade is densely blended in the outer lid. I'm just taking the shade slowly. I'm just packing little by little, because if you take shade too much in the beginning, the eyes will get patchy and it won't look nice. Next, and I'm going in with the brown eyeshadow. You can take any brown eyeshadow, you can even use bronzer, and I'm taking a flat brush. You can also use a pencil brush, but the reason I'm using a flat brush is because I need to create a wing liner using the eyeshadow. You can also use a gel liner, but I use eyeshadow because eyeshadow gives soft smoky look. And then I'm going in with the pink eyeshadow, the darker pink, and I'm taking the shade on a small blending brush. You can use the same brush M505 as well. It's just I'm taking this flat brush because it gives me more control. Then I'm going in with Essence Cosmetic long lasting black pencil in my waterline. I'm adding some of lashes and also mascara. This is my final look. If you love my videos, then do subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments which look you wanna see.